The spirit of innovation is always alive at Multi-Shifter. While our competitors are designing impractical, automated battery handling vehicles, or unsuccessfully trying to copy our machines, we at Multi-Shifter move ahead with practical, real-world solutions. Our new Shuttle shifter is a prime example. The Shuttle shifter is a hybrid battery handling vehicle that is part crane, part shuttle, part Multi-Shifter vehicle. We developed this vehicle to change batteries in lift trucks that cannot be modified for side removal of the battery. Some lift trucks, especially three-wheel sit-down counterbalance trucks, cannot be modified for side removal economically because the battery sits too low in the truck. It costs about $2,000 to modify this type of truck for side removal. The cost of the lift truck modification could easily exceed the cost of the battery handling system. Previously, companies with these trucks had to use cranes to change batteries. These end users were not able to take advantage of the safety, productivity, and space savings provided by multi-shifter battery handling vehicles. Some of our customers have purchased a multi-shifter system and a crane system to optimize their battery handling. However, buying two systems carries extra expense. That's why we developed the Shuttle shifter, for the niche that uses a mixed forklift fleet requiring a crane and a multi-shifter. Let's watch a Shuttle shifter in action. The lift truck operator parks the truck in the designated change area, tilts the seat out of the way, and disconnects the battery connector. The bridge is retracted, and the traverse slide is moved to the corner position. The upper frame is lowered, and the mode switch is switched to the shuttle position. The operator then steps off the platform. Using the remote, the operator pushes 7 and 1 to extend the shuttle. The operator removes the lift chains. Then the operator pushes 8 and 1, extending the trolley out over the battery. Pushing 1 on the remote lowers the battery chains, which are connected to the battery by the operator. Pushing 3 on the remote raises the battery high enough to clear the truck. Eight and 3 are pushed to retract the trolley. Pushing 7 and 3 retracts the shuttle. The operator then pushes 1 to lower the battery onto the multi-shifter vehicle roller bed. The operator secures the remote and steps back on the multi-shifter vehicle. The switch mode is switched to bridge. After stepping on the dead man, the operator drives away from the forklift to gain access to the battery compartment on the multi-shifter vehicle. Then the operator switches the mode switch from bridge to gantry. Stepping off the platform, the operator removes the battery lifting chains and hooks them onto the storage plate. Then the operator presses 3 to raise the lift chains into the stored position. Returning to the vehicle, the operator switches the switch mode to bridge. The operator, stepping on the dead man, uses the travel lever on the control panel to drive to the proper storage slot. Using the proper controls, the magnet and the bridge are positioned to put the battery in a storage slot. The multi-shifter vehicle is driven to a fresh battery location where a fresh battery is loaded on the vehicle. The operator switches the mode switch to gantry. The operator steps off the platform and removes the lift chains from the storage plate, then pushes 1 on the remote to lower the chains. The chains are connected to the battery. Returning to the platform, the operator switches the switch mode to bridge. The vehicle is then driven to the truck. The bridge is retracted, then the slide is moved to the corner, and the switch mode is switched to gantry. The operator steps off the platform, and pushing 3 on the remote allows the operator to lift the battery high enough to clear the forklift truck. The shuttle is extended by pushing 7 and 1. Then the trolley is extended by pushing 8 and 1. The battery is lowered into the truck by pushing 1 on the remote. Next, the operator disconnects the lift chains. The trolley is retracted by pushing 8 and 3 on the remote. The chains are then hooked to the storage plate. The operator pushes 7 and 3 to retract the shuttle. The battery is then plugged into the truck, and the seat is lowered, and the truck is ready for another shift of work. Like regular multi-shifter vehicles, the shuttle shifter also changes batteries in lift trucks modified for side removal of the battery. Since 1974, Multi-Shifter Incorporated has set the standard for practical, real-world solutions in battery handling. Our shuttle shifter is the latest example of our innovative enterprise. Come to where battery handling began. Come to Multi-Shifter.